Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not really anything new to update, more so just kind of confirmation of a couple levels that I've talked about in past videos, and just a wild day to think that, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So the first 30 minutes, price was all over the place, then recovered, and then check out this 30-minute session here. I mean, nasty move downwards. You can see actually the volume was the biggest during this period right here, and kind of a cruel move, almost like the bulls were toying around with the bears. I mean, it was looking nasty, but then for those people that pay attention to charts, the price got right down here around 2 levels of support. The first level is one that I've been talking about in many of the past videos, and that's that green line right there at 14 cents. And then it was kind of like the stars align and you had the double whammy. Not only was the 14-cent mark there, but then you had the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So like I said, kind of a tag team effort there. And then from there, you can see a very nice bounce all the way back upwards. So one of those days where if you get motion sickness easily, you're probably throwing up all over the place trying to watch this one. So all over the place, but at the end of the day, when all the dust had settled, ultimately turned out to be a good solid day for the bulls. Still work to be done, but given the price was all the way down there and where it closed, a good solid victory for the bulls. Now, what do I mean by work needs to be done? Well, this is where kind of the confirmation comes into play in terms of the flip side of things, these levels of resistance that I've talked about in past videos, namely up here at the 20-cent mark. Yes, it was temporarily broken right here, but like it did in the past here. So broke above it, but the price could not maintain above it. Broke above it, but the price could not maintain above it. And once more here, broke above it, but ultimately the price could not maintain above it. So for whatever reason, 20 cents is just a very stubborn level of resistance where, yeah, the price has been able to push through it a few different occasions, but when it comes to actually staying up above it, that's where the bulls have struggled. The good news is that the price essentially closed right at the level, as you can see right there. So it's not like the price has to travel a distance to do battle with 20 cents tomorrow. It could very well open up slightly above it. So the big thing, going in tomorrow is, can the price get above 20 cents and then maintain above it? Not saying at all that it has to break up through this next level of resistance up there at 22 cents. The key thing that I'm wondering about, again, can it break above 20 cents and stay up above it? One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.